So today I want to show you how to use the Palmabot on Telegram. Yes, the Palmabot, it's a bot that brings the Palmabot is a bot that brings trading to the very comfort of your Telegram app. It brings everything you need from you can even link your exchanges to this Palmabot. Now, one very good about Palmabot is that you can practice how to trade your practice your signals on Palmabot while you get better at it, and then you now start using live exchanges. So Palmabot has what they call it, a demo account that you can use and practice, and gives you updates and all that. So I'm going to take you through this Palmabot and how to use it. So you can comfortably use this thing from your phone interface. Now you see that beneath here in the message side, you'll see a place for command. When you click on it, you'll see different instructions. Now you see slash abs slash account slash arbi slash balance and slash buy slash cancel slash coins slash diff slash education slash exchanges slash executor slash free slash help slash language slash my referral slash news and all that. Now these are buttons that will help you to navigate the Palmabot very well. So we have the apps. So let's just go to the first one. The first one will show you, yeah, the app signals lets you set one time signal on exact price. So it can send you notification that certain price mark was met. For example, if you want to be alerted when Bitcoin price on Binance reaches the 2,796.0 USD mark, one time ABS signal is the right choice. So in a few steps, you will see how to set up the signal to track the price changes. So first of all, you choose, let's just choose OKEx, for example. Choose the exchange you want to track. Now you see, now choose the coin you want to track. Maybe you want to track, let's just say algo. Then this is step 2. You've chosen your algo. The exchange is OKEx, the coin is algo. Then choose the market you want to track. And you want to track its BTC market. That's step 3. Now you've chosen your BTC market. No, still currently the current ask price now is 153 and current bid price now is 152. So ask price will be used for uptrend, bid price will be used for downtrend. So enter the price you want to receive the signal for. We want to be alerted when the signal hits 160. So you type it in and then you click on send. Now you click on send. That's the fourth step. You see signal 324 successfully created. So you'll be triggered, you'll be alerted when the price gets to move from 153 to 160.0. Okay, I put in sorry, I'm supposed to type in 0.40160, not just 160.0 BTC. that's way far away, you know. So you can click on list by signals and you see the signals, and these are the previous signals, and then this one, and you click on algo at BTC price. Now this is the current chart. This is the chart, algo at BTC price. So this is the price chart. This is 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So if you want to see it in the last 1 hour, you click on the 1 hour and it shows you the chart in the last 1 hour. The last 1 day, it will show you now. This is the chart in the last 1 day. So this is the ask price, bid price, the ticker price, and it's 4 hours volume. That's about 4 million algo I'm trading in the last 24 hours. So now let's look at you can find out more information about algo. You can click on news, any latest news on it. Now, this is the latest news on algo. So this bot is very, very informative. Like, it helps you, so it can easily, it's automatically picked up news around algo from automatically picked up news around algo. So you just know what is the latest update about algo. So let's just say you want to buy the coin. You can choose which exchange you want to buy it on. Let's look at Binance, for example. You choose the coin you want to buy. You want to buy Acro. You then choose which market, BTC market. Then Acro, this coin price. Price is like really, 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 really very, very minimal. So you can cancel all and then go back to the commands. So you can go back here and say, okay, you want to know the commands again. Go to commands. These are different commands. The tools help you to automate your digital asset world. Signal helps you to get your own notifications, buy and sell a coin, manage your portfolio. You can advance to a Palma Pro for pro traders. Yes, if you have now you're not good with trading pro, then you can get tutorials. You can connect and execute your custom strategy. With all this, you can get help. Let's look at tutorials, for example. Now, this will help you take you through. There are frequently asked questions, get to understand this bot better. You can connect your favorite exchange with Palmabot, so it can help you execute trade faster with your exchange. And you can set your signal so that you will not miss any pump or dump. Like when you say you want to set your signals now, for example, you can say, okay, this is the signal that I set, so I can deactivate it and then use signals to create new signals and go to this place, and these are this thing. So you want to know when the current coin price changes by 2%, or you want to know when the current price meets my price. You want to turn on volatility signals, track any coin change for more than 5% in last 6 hours, and all that. Here's a list of deactivate signals. This help you. So let's look at demo mode. You can use demo mode to turn demo back on and continue training and exploring back Palmabot features risk free. So let's look at count. You can find out your settings and all that, upgrade my referral freeze portfolio and all that. So let's go back up. There's this I want to show you. Let's go back up. Now, if you watch my last video where I explained ABC of cryptocurrency, you will see where I try to explain to you arbitrage. You can also use this to know arbitrage opportunities. Arbitrage is whereby a coin might be trading low in an exchange and trading high in an exchange, so you can take advantage of that price difference to make profit. So just for example, now if a coin is trading low on an exchange, you can move it to actually where it's trading high and then make profit from that difference in the prices. So that is arbitrage. That's arbitrage. So let's look at commands. That's commands. Tools. These are the tools. You get news. You can get news at your fingertips. Click on price. Then look at arbitrage opportunities. You see Abby. Under Abby, you see the opportunities you can use to take advantage of and make profit. And look at different opportunities you can make profits and the percentages in between. Now look at if you move R fuel from OKEx Poloniex, you make 40% gain. If you move green from get.io to coupon, you make 30% gain. If you move CTXE from Binance to OKEx, you make 30% gain. If you move US Nano from that's pair Nano USD pair, so this will show you how to take advantage of you can just know what are the arbitrage opportunities out there so you can make profits. So this app, this bot is really super helpful. You can stay updated. Now, coin markets, buy low exchange, sell high exchange. Let's look at buy low exchange. Now, which are the buy low exchanges where you can find coins that are low? Let's check Binance for example. You see now is that so these are where you can buy low and then go and sell high on others. So you can buy low on Binance and sell on these other exchanges. Like if you buy low on Binance, like GHST now, if you buy low on Binance, you can sell for a 6% increase on OKEx. So this will really super help you. This bot is super helpful. It's very educational. See, if you're gonna be in crypto, you should be ready to flex the muscles of your brain a lot. So that's not always very straightforward, but you're going to benefit a lot if you can pay attention. So if you look at sell high exchange, where you can sell high. Let's look at Arbitrage for example. Now you can buy yeah, you can the sell high exchanges. So now this app is super helpful, and I really like demo mode. With demo mode, you can flex a lot around with it. Now let's look at connecting your exchanges. Okay, so let's look at the commands. Let's look at the tools. Let's look at, and you can find out the gainers, top gainers and top losers by clicking radar. Now look at these are the 5 coins that lost most, and LTC on Kraken is that low. Now these are coins that gained the most in the last 7 days gainers. This is Hedge Trade, IOST, Coinmeet, and Ave. So so this is a whole lot. Just this is very informative. It's very informative. See, I like it when people are very curious to use what's available because this bot, all you have to just click on buttons and it takes you to wherever and you get acquainted with it. Let's look at commands again. Let's look at tools. Let's look at news. Let's look at news around Bitcoin. So you just pick a coin and find out news about it. Now these are the last let's check again. Okay, let's look at Bitom. These are supported coins of Bitom. You can click on to find out. This is Bitom 24-hour volume, BTC Earth, and So let's choose BCH. Then let's choose the market. This is the market. on the, let's choose the exchange. Yeah, this is BCH. This is the current price. So this is just so super informative. So Palmabot is something you can check out on, get used to it, and use it to update yourself. This is the way to update yourself. You can refer people. There's my referral too. See? Before your referral link to your friend and you, both of you get €3 of Palma bonus when invitation is accepted. So that's that. Let's look at the demo. In the demo mode, you can use all functionalities, including trading, buy and sell, balance, and transfer everything. Daily balance contains this. It's turned off, so it's back on. So you want to trade. If you want to trade, you choose which one you want to do. You want to buy, sell, balance, transfer. You want to become a pro. You want to do your orders and all. So you want to buy coins. Sorry, that was a mistake. Okay. So that's that about your. So play around with Palmabot, understand it better, use it to learn how to practice your buying and selling and everything, get news, updates, arbitrage opportunities, and then you can then practice the real account. I know there's demo mode enough for you here. So this is literally your exchanges and everything, your news, exchanges, information, everything at a fingertip of your Telegram. So make sure you check this out and use it to your own benefit.